Hi, myself Anjul Gupta, and I am director in Prakash Gold Industries, Noida. We are manufacturer of solar water pumps of all types solar water pumps we manufacture. We are a government approved company who is supplying our products in various government schemes in different states through our distributors, channel partners, and direct customers. We are also working in PM Kusum component B, in which government is giving subsidy to the farmers for installation of solar water pumps for irrigation purpose. We are approved in various states as in Jharkhand, in Odisha, in Uttar Pradesh, and in Madhya Pradesh, and in Assam, many other states. Our products are tested from government authorized laboratories, and we have pan India service network. IV Solar is a renowned company in solar module manufacturing. We are using their modules in our all projects, and it is the best combination as performance of IV Solar modules are very good. We are connected with them since last 4 years, and we are doing our government projects with IV Solar only. And they are providing us very timely delivery and good quality product, which is giving better performance, and our customers are also happy as they are getting a good product. Our association is very long with IV Solar, and in pan India, in different states, Maharashtra, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, we are supplying the combo of solar water pumps and modules, and the module is from IV Solar. IV Solar is very good company, and their management is very good, very efficient, very focused on their product. Their quality management is very good, and we have no complaint with them. Since we are using IV Solar modules, our product performance also improved as modules are giving good power to the pump, and they are performing well. In different government projects, we have used around 50 megawatt of module from IV Solar, and we have no complaint with them. In future, as we are also planning to increase our turnover, our work, our projects, so we have planned to move further with the integrated battery solar module. As they are very supportive in the projects, they are giving timely delivery, good quality product. So we have no complaint with them, and we have also planned for further all projects to go with IV Solar. IV Solar अभिनव महाजन जी बहुत ही एफिशिएंट, बहुत फोकस्ड डायरेक्टर हैं, और वो हमेशा हमें सपोर्ट करते हैं, कभी मटेरियल की शॉर्ट डिलीवरी भी नहीं होने देते, और दे ऑलवेज ट्राई कि टाइमली डिलीवरी होती रहे जिससे कि हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स कभी डिले ना हो. आई रिकमेंड IV Solar टू ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल माई बिजनेस फ्रेंड, because IV Solar is fulfilling my all requirement for performance, for quality, for after sale service. They have wide range of product available from 450 watt to 560 watt. So if we talk about the rating, so I'll give 10 out of 10 to IV Solar for all these factors, and I'm happy customer, and I have no complaint with them. Thank you.